Everyone has an opinion about money, but the truth is most people are broke, so why are you listening to them? Taking financial advice from broke people is one of the fastest ways to stay broke yourself. The wealthy don't follow the same money rules as the average person, and that's exactly why they build wealth while others struggle. The problem with taking advice from the wrong people. One of the biggest financial traps: listening to family, friends, or co-workers who mean well but have never actually built wealth themselves. They'll tell you to play it safe, avoid old debt, just work hard, or invest later, but these outdated beliefs often keep people stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. If someone doesn't have the financial results you want, why would you take their advice? Another mistake: following old-school money rules that don't work in today's world. The idea that college guarantees success, buying a house is always the best investment, or saving money will make you rich is outdated. The economy has changed, and blindly following traditional advice can actually hurt your financial future. Then there's fear-based advice. Broke people often avoid investing because they see it as too risky, while the wealthy understand that calculated risks are necessary for financial growth. If you only take advice from people who are scared of money, you'll never build real wealth. Who should you actually take financial advice from? If you want to be wealthy, learn from people who have already built wealth. That doesn't mean blindly trusting social media gurus or get-rich-quick influencers. It means studying people who have proven financial success. Read books by self-made millionaires, follow expert investors, and study how successful entrepreneurs think. The best advice comes from those who have done what you're trying to do. The bottom line: if you take money advice from broke people, you'll stay broke. The wealthy play by a different set of rules. They invest, leverage assets, and take smart risks. Instead of listening to fear-based advice, start learning from those who have built real financial success. Your future wealth depends on the advice you choose to follow.